Hello. So as I told you guys last time that I'll be getting another plant, and these are on the pricier side because why not? I haven't got a rare plant, like rare plants, in a very long time. I did get blue oil fern, which is alive and doing great, currently acclimating, and my birthday is next month end, so I was like, why not to grab good plants at good deals. So yeah, one of them is this one. As always, I have opened it from top because as soon as plant arrives, I open it, because why to suffocate plants? We are again about to hit monsoon in 2 weeks, and meteorological department is literally ditching us because they told that we will get like good rain at this time, but again they are saying 2-3 weeks में अब आएगी बारिश और monsoon आएगा नॉर्थ इंडिया में. So yeah, this one is from Assorted Flora. Again, Instagram page, I will mention the link and the page in the description. I was actually about to get my periods, but I received my parcel and it just makes me happy. I am breaking out like this. Here is a bump. I can feel the contraction. I was like, but it's on time, so I'm glad, grateful. And I just received it 15 minutes ago and I couldn't wait. I was like, let's go. So this is how the parcel is. Should I? No, let's just cut from this side because I do not want to damage the leaves, because the plant has beautiful big leaves, which is the plant I'll be showing you soon. So shit, it's hard. Okay, so it has come all the way from Nagaland and northeast. Get good amount of rain and the plants reach to good size, like they flourish over there. So it's great to get plants from there. How hot it is at my place. I'm literally sweating from here. It feels like you are bathing 24 hours. I am sweating. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Look at the gorgeousness. Actually, I was about to do green eyeshadows, but मुझे वो palette मिला नहीं, and I was like, let's mix colors. So I mixed 3-4 colors, and it's so hot. My makeup, my eyeshadow, like I have used eyeshadow, so they are melting. How gorgeous the baby is. There is no spillage of soil, like nothing. You can see. Good job. I love it because I'm literally filming in my room because there's less disturbance. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I can't believe. Look at the leaves, dude. Look at the leaves. This is Anthurium Clarinervium, and I have Anthurium. Actually, I have 8 to 9 like this Anthurium, but I reported them. I don't know why I did. I reported them last month when temperature was 47 degrees. I don't know why I did that. I thought they will pull off, but they are all like so dead. Now I'm so anxious also, and I'm in so much of love. Oh my god, I never thought I will buy like these kind of Anthuriums. Many people ask me about the price. The price keeps on changing, but I got this at a really good deal. Like, look at the size. The Clarinerviums have this heart-shaped leaf and veins. This is the dark form, I guess. I'm not sure. This is the older leaf. Come on. I don't want to like look. This is the older leaf. Oh my god. And they have velvet surface. Native to Mexico side, again epiphyte that grows on another plant and gets their nutrition from rain. So here's a tip, especially for the people who are living in North Indian plain region states, or you do not live at the coastal states or the northeast states. The smaller version, the saplings are available for around, I think, 300-400. I will highly suggest you guys listen to me and this is very important because of the fluctuation in temperature and humidity. The plants will not reach to the bigger state, and this is applied to all plants. Better to, like, if you really want to see the flourishing version, get the bigger ones. Wait for good deals. You will find on a lot of pages. I have done some videos, so you can check those too, but better to get bigger size plants because like I live in Rajasthan and humidity drops to 10% and temperature rises above 50. Currently it's below 40, it's 39, but I will keep it inside, so it's a tip. And thank you again, Assorted Flora, for this amazing plant that's in really good condition and looks absolutely so gorgeous and so pretty. If you love plants and if you like plants unboxing, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will be coming up with more videos and shorts. I will meet you next time. Till then, bye.